Welcome to the CU Pediatrics Brightspace Faculty Guide to Quiz Creation. Start by selecting Quizzes in the upper black toolbar. Select the New Quiz button on the left-hand side to begin. Add a name to your quiz. Add a category to your quiz to stay organized. Now click the Add Questions button. Now, select New to add a new question. The questions available include true-false, multiple choice, multi-select, long answer, short answer, etc. For our first example, let's try true or false. Enter any text, pictures, or graphic aids associated with a question under Question Text. You can optionally assign a title for future question reference. Scroll down to change the options on your quiz question, including changing the enumeration to assign letters or numbers to each answer, changing the style to be vertical, horizontal, or drop-down, and changing the weighting of credit for each answer, as well as feedback. Scroll down further to add hints or feedback. Preview and then save the question before exiting. Now let's look at a multi-select question. Let's scroll down for a few of the differences. Keep in mind, this type of quiz question has alternative ways of grading, including all or nothing, right minus wrong, and correct answers. Scrolling down, choose Add Options if you have more than the default number 4 responses to your question. Put question responses in the value field and then be sure to click Correct next to the appropriate response. You also have the capability of importing questions from the question library. Choose a question to modify its values, move or delete it. Click Edit Values. Assign points, difficulty, bonus, and mandatory variables. Press Save when done. When all questions have been added, click on Done Editing Questions. On the Quiz Properties page, click the Assessment tab. Reset the Attempts Allowed button to any number or unlimited. Then click Apply. Now, select the tab labeled Submission Views. Click on Default View. Select Yes to show your questions. Then select Show Question Answers. This will give learners the ability to see both the questions and answers to review after the quiz. Click Save when done. Go back and click on the Properties tab to change the look of your quiz. Scroll down. Click the On button to add a header and a footer. Customize them with greetings and closings for your quiz. Scroll down further and select Allow Hints. Also, select Disable Pager and Alerts. Be sure to select the Save button when you are done customizing your quiz. Now scroll back to the top of the Quiz Properties screen and select the drop-down arrow next to the quiz name. Select Preview. Now click on the blue Start Quiz button towards the bottom for a preview of your work. Select Exit Preview when you're done. When you're satisfied with the way your quiz looks, go back to the main Quiz Property screen and click on the Restrictions tab. Change the status to Active when the quiz is ready to be published.